Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Shah Commission on Balli violence fails to pinpoint at murderers of Mangesh, Gaonkar and Dilip, Velip. No evidence against person who destroyed public property. Special Court directs Anti-Corruption Bureau to register FIR against Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar. Allegations of misuse of public funds against Shobha. Petrol pumps in Goa to remain closed till 12 noon on coming Monday. Closure in the wake of nationwide strike of petrol pump owners. Special pipeline in Verna Industrial Estate to supply raw water to industries, CM assures during AGM of Verna Industries. Over in sports, Dempo Sports Club on a high five. Dempo boss Srinivas thrilled and delighted at local youngsters' performance in highly challenging season. And Goa Football Association and newly formed Football Development Council will coexist. FDC will develop football, says Dr. Rufino Montero. GFA will organize tournaments, says Dempo. And now the news in detail. People responsible for the violence and murder during Utta agitation at Balli on 25th May 2011 are left free, even as the Justice Shah report indicts government officials for negligence. Shah report has not made any charges against the Utta activist or locals from Balli due to lack of evidence. Shah report states that Anchal Bhavan Cashew factory was set on fire by the locals, but it is not known as to who is responsible for the incident. Agitation of Utta activists at Balli took a violent turn after the activists were lathi-charged by the police. There were allegations that the activists later damaged vehicles and pelted stones at the police. Agitated locals allegedly set the nearby Anchal Bhavan Cashew factory on fire. Utta activists Mangesh, Gaonkar and Dilip, Velip were murdered during the agitation. Justice Shah Commission conducted inquiry into the Balli violence. Shah Commission report states, Adarsh and Anchal Bhavan was set on fire by Balli locals. It is not known as to who set the factory on fire. No evidence against the accused persons. No evidence that Utta leaders instigated the activists. Government officials did not take the agitation seriously. Shah Commission indicts government officials. Then South Goa Collector GP Naik ordered lathi charge when agitation was about to end. Agitation took violent turn after lathi charge. Not convincing reason for lathi charge. PI Tushar Vednekar did not stop people from setting Anchal factory on fire when he could do so. Justice Shah Commission has indicted government officials for negligence during the Balli agitation on 25th May 2011. Shah Commission has not indicted the Utta activists and Balli locals as there is no evidence against them. Shah Commission has failed to pinpoint at the accused responsible for the two major crimes of loss of government property and murder. CBI is conducting investigation in both the criminal cases. Will the CBI get any evidence against the responsible accused persons? Our reporter Laukik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari. Special Court under the Prevention of Corruption Act has directed Anti-Corruption Branch to register an FIR against Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar. She has been alleged of cheating and corruption. Judge Nutan Sar Desai passed the order on a petition filed by Advocate Irish Rodrigues.
The complaint against Shobha Dhumaskar is related to a 76 square meter leased out flat at Mutual Apartments in Panji. Allegations point at undue favoritism while leasing out a flat, causing loss to the state exchequer. The petition filed by Advocate Irish Rodrigues states that Dhumaskar permitted the owners of the flat undue financial advantage at the cost of the state exchequer. It also alleges that Shobha Dhumaskar misled the government that the flat was an office premises. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Petrol pumps will be closed down for 12 hours on 23rd April in Goa. This closure is in support to the bandh called by the All India Petrol Traders. Pumps will open after 12 noon on Monday. Petrol pump owners are facing hardships due to complete ban on fetching petrol in cans and bottles. They have demanded relaxation The owners will submit a memorandum to the CM in this regard.
All Goa Petrol Pump Owners Association held a meeting on Friday in Panji. They discussed the issues pertaining to complete ban on getting petrol in cans and bottles. They have suggested the government of a card system which will be useful in selling petrol to people. They will hand over a memorandum to the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in this regard.
खूपशे आता आउटबोर्ड मोटर असतात लोकांक स्पोर्ट्सच्यो बोटी असतात तांकां लागतात जनरेटर असतात जनरेटर थंय हाडूंक शकनात इन्क्लुडींग गव्हर्नमेंट वता म्हणजे काही वेळा ते पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर वता काही वेळाचेर आमचे कडेन हाज्यो ज्यो बोटी आसात गस्त घालपी ज्यो बोटी आसात त्यो बोटी आमचे कडल्यान लूज वता हे रेग्युलर चलताले आमी एक गव्हर्नमेंटाक रिक्वेस्ट केला की तांकां सगळ्यांक एक वेगळी तुमी फास्ट ट्रॅक लायसन्सां दिया आणि त्या प्रमाणे जशें रेशन कार्ड असतात तशें तांणी जर रेशन कार्ड दिलें जाल्यार आमकां तांकां दिवपाक सोंपें जातलें आणि सरसकट हो बॅन करूं नाका कित्याक कोणाची गाडी बंद पडली कितें जालें ताका 1 लिटर 2 लिटर दिवंक जाय कित्याक संशयान जर आमी सगळें बंद करता तेन्ना 5 लिटर पर्यंत ते पेट्रोल दिवचें अशी एक मागणी आमची आशिल्ली बॉर्डरीचेर जे पेट्रोल पंप आसात तांच्या खातीर वेगळें शहरांचे आसात तांच्या खातीर वेगळें अशें जातलें तें चडशें करून.
The All India Petrol Pump Owners will hold a token strike on 23rd April. The Goa Petrol Pump Owners will participate in the Bandh. In Goa, the Bandh will be only for 12 hours to avoid inconvenience to the people.
जातीतले बेगीन म्हणजे फाल्यां आनी परां लोकांक नोटीस दिवन कळोवचें की आमी स्ट्रायकार वतले पूण आपूण फूल डे आमी स्ट्रायकार वचचे ना आमी रातचे 12 22 तारखेक रातचे 12 ते 23 तारखेक दनपारचे 12 इतले पर्यंत आमचे सगळे पेट्रोल पंप गोंयचे बंद आसतले. आमकां जो उलो आयिल्लो आसा तो 22 तारखेक रातचे 12 ते 23 तारखेक रातचे 12 अशें थांबयात म्हणून.
Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.